A simple program in Python to read the coordinates and check on which axis the point lies. So look at line number 1 and 2. We use two variables x and y to read the data. As you know, in Python, input is an inbuilt function to read the data, but it reads the data only in the form of string. So we need to convert into either float or int based on your requirement. So enter x coordinate and enter y coordinate. Look at line number 3. We have an if condition, x not equal to 0 and y equal to 0. We need to follow the syntax in a proper way. The logical operator is AND here. Look at the colon there. If the condition is true, the point lies on x-axis. Elif. Look at elif. Elif x is equal to 0 and y not equal to 0, point lies on y-axis. Elif x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0, point lies on origin. Look at the print statements. Point lies on x-axis, y-axis and origin. You need to follow indentation in Python to avoid errors.